back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas day, I don't know. Another pre-filmed video coming at you. It's Vlogmas. Something just fell. I'm Mariah. If you're new here, sorry if my chair keeps squeaking. I swear it's not me farting. I'm so excited that it's Vlogmas. Today I wanted to do kind of a fun, different, I've literally never done a video like this before and it was so much work. But it was so fun. I wanted to style my boyfriend's clothes. But like, not on him, on me. I wanted to see if I could wear his clothes and like make them look cute. So that's exactly what I did today. I know it's not like a Christmassy video, but I thought it was kind of fun. So yeah, I'm Mariah. If you're new here, please subscribe down below. It's Vlogmas, so I'm uploading every day of December. And stick around because we're still gonna be uploading after December. Without further ado, I guess let's just get right into it. Okay, so first up, styled this gray hoodie that I honestly forgot Dylan had. I got it for him for his birthday, I think. It's from ASOS. I got an extra large thinking that it would like be perfect and a little oversized. It's huge even on him. So this is the sweatshirt. It's really big and baggy and honestly so comfortable. So the way I styled it was I threw on some jeans from Pretty Little Thing. They're just ripped jeans, high-waisted, and I actually tucked this up into my bra like you've seen on TikTok, I'm sure. So it made it kind of look a little bit cropped and more fitted to me. And then I threw on a black denim jacket, some hoops, necklaces, threw my hair up, half down. We were good to go. I had some little black booties as well, and I thought this outfit was actually really cute and I would definitely wear it out. So catch me in this sweatshirt soon. Honestly, I want to put it on right now. I'm kind of cold. Okay, next up, I have this long sleeve like polo type shirt. I think it's a golf shirt, honestly. I absolutely love this outfit. So I started with just like the long sleeve and I threw a little crew neck, like tan crew neck I have over it with some jeans, some riding boots, threw my hair up in a bun. It was a whole vibe. It gave me like very preppy vibes, but also like I really like it. Like that style with having the collar poking out of a sweater or a crew neck right now is so in, and I just thought it was so cute and I hadn't tried it before, and I'm definitely gonna be stealing this and doing that with more outfits because it's really cute. It's really in, trendy, it's cute. I don't have to go buy one. I can just take it from Dylan. So thanks, babe. All right, next up is this green Henley that Dylan's been wearing lately, and I just think it looks so cozy. This actually gave me like the whole idea for this video, but I just threw on some black high-waisted leggings with this, threw over a denim button down, some black little slide sneaker things, and good to go. It was like a cozy, more casual outfit, but still really cute, and honestly, I would wear it. I will also be stealing this. Sorry, Dylan, this seems to be an I'm stealing your clothes video. All right, next up is Dylan's sweatpants. So he actually has these nice Nike joggers. They have like the little drawstring waist, so I was able to cinch them up so they would fit me. And I just threw on this black little cropped t-shirt with a jean jacket, some gold hoops, some gold necklaces. Can't go wrong. Put on my little purple lilac Converse. And this was so cute. Now I know these fit me too. All right, this sweater I've honestly never seen until I was going through Dylan's stuff to look for stuff for this video. And I thought it was really cute. I didn't love this outfit. This was probably my least favorite outfit, but I still thought it was really cute, and like you get the idea. You can steal one of your boyfriend's, I don't know what you would call this, like button down sweater, but it's only like a little button. Whatever, like a collared sweater shirt thing, tuck it in some high-waisted jeans, throw on a jacket. It is really cute. It just wasn't my favorite because I really liked the other ones, but this was really cute, and I might have Dylan wear this for our Christmas cards this year. And last but not least, literally anyone can do this one. Grab either your dad, your brother, your boyfriend, your husband, whoever's plain white button down and tuck it into some jeans, and it's literally so cute. I've actually worn this before. I think it's my profile picture actually. You can't go wrong with a white button down and some jeans. I threw on a scarf just to make it a little more festive, some over the knee boots. It also looks cute with some booties. You just can't go wrong. You could put this under like a little sweater or something. Honestly, I think I need to get myself one of these, but Dylan has one, so. But I would like one that doesn't have such stiff of a collar because this one is really stiff. So like a more relaxed fit would be better for me personally, but this also isn't mine, it's Dylan. So I guess beggars can't be choosers, but I really like this outfit and I have worn it out before. Alright, so that was it for how I styled my boyfriend's clothes. If you have a boyfriend or a brother or a dad or anyone, go steal their clothes. because then you have a whole nother closet. I was thinking recently I have like no clothes. Well, I have clothes. I have no new clothes, and then it dawned on me one day I could go take some of Dylan's. And then now I have, it's like having a roommate or a sister, but not as nice because you have to really work at it. That's it for today's video. If you have a boyfriend or a husband or a dad, brother, go steal their clothes, try it out. You can borrow their stuff and actually make it really cute and like wear it out. So I'll definitely be wearing some of these outfits in the future. That's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Happy Vlogmas. It's almost Christmas. Subscribe down below. Follow me on Instagram at Mariah Nicole Days and Deeds, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.